Guys, in today's video, we're going to be learning how to make an egg explode in a microwave. Dun 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 dun. So, all you need is just a simple plain egg, and you need a plate and possibly like a bowl to put over it so it doesn't explode. I'm going to move. Whoa. Yikes, movie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the egg over carefully. And what I'm going to do next is open up the microwave. What? Dude, I'm making my video. And what I'm going to do now is insert the egg into the microwave with the bowl. As so. I'm going to be putting it in for about 40 seconds should do. And there you go. God, I swear to God, look at this. God, I don't want it to explode. Whoa. And there it goes. Oh my God.